guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Lauren, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty, motherhood, and lifestyle. And today's video is super exciting because I am going to be sharing with you my first order from TEMU. There's so much stuff in here. So TEMU reached out to me recently about joining their affiliate program. So I was very intrigued. I actually, just to kind of test it out, I did place an order initially for 2 products, which I will show you here with my own money, just to kind of see, because I was, you know, a little unsure. I've heard so much about it, but it is a site with so many different things on it, and it is super affordable. So I just wanted to see what it was all about. So I did end up joining their affiliate program, and I am going to have my affiliate link as well as my promo code on the screen here, as well as in the description box down below. So with my affiliate link, you can download the app, and then within 1 hour of downloading the app, you can use the promo code to get an additional 30% off your order. Along with the affiliate link, if you use that to sign up, you will also get a $100 coupon bundle. So again, all of this information is going to be down in the description box below for you. Also, as I go through each product, I am going to have the price on the screen. That will also be in the description box below. So you're going to see how amazingly affordable all these products are. So before we get into all the products, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you are excited about testing out TEMU. Let me know in the comments down below if you have ordered anything. You'll have to let us know what your favorite products from them are. And then also please make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. But let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I am going to start out with the 2 products that I initially ordered with my own money before I placed this big, huge order, which you see is this huge box here. So the first thing that I got was this little milk frother. Now this, I believe, was just a little bit over $1, under $2. So, I mean, you can't beat that price point. Now, I have really been liking this because I am a coffee girl. Always have to have my coffee drink. I do like to make coffee at home most of the time. So I have a big pitcher electric milk frother, which works really well. But this one is really nice to use quick to froth up your milk or remix up your drinks without having to dirty and wash that big electric one. Even though I love that one and it works well, this is a great other option to have. Second product from that order was this hair wax stick. This I was really intrigued to try because I've seen different versions of this for more expensive on Amazon. I've heard a lot of people talking about that. This I have been using when I wear my hair up. It's a solid wax stick. This has been absolutely perfect for my flyaways, and I am the queen of the flyaways right now because I'm still dealing with the postpartum, I don't know if it's hair loss or regrowth, whatever it is, but I do like to wear my hair up in a ponytail a lot, and I get these little tails or wings down here, one on each side and also up here. So this does a great job of controlling that. So now I am going to get into the big order that I placed, and actually the first thing I am wearing right here. So this adorable sweatshirt I really love. I had been looking for something just like this on Etsy, Amazon for a while now, and then I came across this one and it was about $10 on TEMU. It's so cute. As I said before, I am a coffee girly, love my coffee drinks, and it's so cute. It has the different coffees on there, and I love that these 2 here, you can tell they're Starbucks inspired, which I do love my Starbucks over my Dunkin', sorry. And you know, it has a little green straw, so you know it's representing Starbucks, but it's also, I did a large because it's not huge, but I wanted a little bit of an oversized fit. Also, it's really nice that the inside is fleece. So it's super comfortable, super affordable. I mean, to me, it looks good quality. And honestly, I've been wearing this for multiple days in a row. Been loving it. This next product is a really trendy one right now. I feel like these smiley face slippers. They had them in a bunch of different colors. I got the light yellow smiley face. Spencer told me these were ugly, but what does he know? He doesn't know how trendy they are, you know? So I love them. I think they're really cute. I want to say I got these in a 7, maybe it was a 7 to 8, something like that. So they work well over your fuzzy socks. So I'm gonna slip these on right now. Don't mind my Christmas socks, still wearing them, but they're super squishy, comfortable, and got like a nice quality bottom. Like you could wear these outside to get the mail, whatever you're doing. I did the campaign that I went through was called Cozy Home Essentials, which is where I got these products. And so really what I was looking for was work from home essentials. That was kind of my goal for most of these products, which, you know, the slippers will work for that. I am in the midst of kind of creating a desk setup at home because I did just recently start working at home. You may know that if you watch my vlogs. So I got a lot of things geared towards that. This next product I already have taken out of the box and been using it. It's not giving the full effect of what this is right here because it's not plugged in, but this is a nice, who doesn't love like a little clickety-clack keyboard, but it does light up rainbow. So here is the box here. I already took it out, like I said, I've already been using this. This is obviously in the black color, but you can see how it lights up the different colors, and you can turn that option on or off so it doesn't have to be on all the time. Do a little sound. I don't know what it was. Ever since I was a kid, I've just been obsessed with keyboards. I've been seeing a lot of, you know, people on like TikTok and Instagram, like people that like collect keyboards, and I know they can get really pricey. This one, of course, was definitely more on the affordable side from TEMU, but I would love to get in like collecting them, get more. This thing is a little interesting. So this is actually a like rocking footrest for under your desk, which I don't know if this is going to make sense to a lot of people, but I just feel like I need to have something under my desk to prop my feet up on. At my actual office at work, I do have a stool under my desk that I put my feet up on, but this one rocks back and forth. So I'm gonna put this together quickly actually so you can see it. Okay, so that was super easy. The two pieces just snapped right onto the bottom. So you can like roll your feet on there, rock it back and forth, and prop your feet up a little bit. So I'm excited to test that out. This here is, I love this. For my job, I actually do a good bit of math, and don't expect me to do that in my head. So I always have well, at work, I have like a calculator, but I wanted like a cute one for my desk here rather than using my phone all the time. And it's got nice, beautiful, satisfying buttons too. A beautiful little gold accent on the on button. I don't know. I had to get this. I love this. I think this was, you know, just a couple bucks too. It's also, you know, like aesthetic with the white and the beige and the gold. So it's going to be perfect. Now this is going to be another work from home essential, but also a mom essential. So story of my life is always reheating my coffee like 100 times a day. So I did get a beverage warmer. This can sit right on your desk and keep your coffee warm. And it's also like, I don't know, really aesthetic and pretty looking. So it's like white with like a copper gold ring around there. So I'm excited to test this out too. It does have a USB port, but you know, with my laptop docking system, I don't know, whatever it's called, my computer screens, you know, this will plug right in there. This I am really excited about. I've been wanting to try something like this for a long time, but you know, finally found an affordable option on TEMU. This is a light lamp. So this is one of these things for like, you know, it's that time of year, seasonal depression with, you know, out a whole lot of sunlight. So this is a light lamp you put on your desk to give the effect of, you know, fake sunlight. So I'm very excited to test this out. I am going to be doing, I think, a vlog very soon. I will be showing you kind of like my desk setup, and so hopefully I will have all these products set up and ready to go so you can see them in action. Okay, now this here is kind of like a giant mouse pad, I guess, if you will, kind of like to cover your desk. And honestly, I don't have a nice new desk right now. It's like an old fold up table that I think was from the garage, something like that. So I got this pretty colored, I mean, it's just beige, but you know, I'm a neutral girl, I'm boring like that. So you put this on your desk, so it's gonna cover up how beat up my desk is looking right now. And then, you know, also it's like a mouse pad, so my keyboard and my mouse will go on this. This is the biggest item that I got. So this is kind of funny. We'll see how this works out, but this is like to make your desk chair more squishy, padded, if you will. I'm not even sure which way it goes. Okay, so this seems like huge right here. This will go on my seat, and I'll have to look up the directions. I guess somehow it snaps on there, but just to make your desk chair a little more comfy cozy. And I like that it like comes up a little bit like on the sides rather than just like the back and the seat. So excited to test this out. Then this final thing was not work from home desk related. I got a 2-pack of bracelets. I can't even think, I don't even know what the designer's name of these really popular bracelets that these are inspired by. They're like the clover design, but you can see they're not exactly clover. They have like 5 leaves on them, but I got a 2-pack of an ivory and a dark emerald green. So I thought these would go really pretty together. Okay, so here is the bracelets on. I think these are really cute. Now, of course, these don't look exactly like the actual designer ones that are so popular, but I mean, they look pretty close. I don't really care too much about the whole designer thing. I just like, you know, the look of it, but don't want to spend however many hundreds or thousands of dollars on a bracelet. So I feel like these would be perfect for like everyday wear, especially the white one. I mean, that's going to go with everything. Really happy with these. I think these are really cute. They also did have necklace versions of these, so maybe eventually I'll get one of those to go with it. Okay guys, so that is everything that I got in my huge, massive TEMU haul. So thank you so much for TEMU to reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to try out these products. I'm so excited to get my desk a little bit more set up with these perfect cozy home essentials. Again, I will have my affiliate link and promo code, prices, everything, all that information, links for all the products in my description box down below. Please let me know in the comments down below if you try out any of these products, or let me know what your must-haves from TEMU are. I would love to hear your suggestions because I will definitely be placing another order. And then if that vlog or that video of me setting up these products on my desk, you know, or at home is live yet, I will make sure to link that down below and then also in the cards up above. But anyway guys, please, 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 if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. I would love to have you here. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next one.